Hey everybody, and welcome to FATV Fan Art. Before we get started on this painting tutorial using watercolors, doing both Shadow and Silver the Hedgehog from the Sonic the Hedgehog video game and cartoons movies, we have a little bit of information before you start to try to paint something just like this. We already sketched them out. You need some brushes that are fine point and a little bit thicker like this, okay? So I just wanted to give you an idea of what the type of brushes I'm using. All right, you can see the rating on there perhaps. All right, and this watercolor brush right here, 0 point. All right, and this one here. And then just some basic watercolors here and some acrylic white in case we have to thicken the paint. Alrighty. Starting in on those cool shoes, got these little like gun portals in there. A little bit of red. Gonna use some white, some black. White on the tops of the shoes, of course, but the red around the bottoms there. You got to vary the tone and highlight them. Highlighting the white, shadowing on the sides. A little black there on the back. Little rings, and using a little yellow there, black on the body. Make sure you're using some gray tones to highlight him. Little red on the wrist there, little cufflinks, I guess. And on the bottom there, above the rings on his feet. Again, using a lot of black on the body, but using some gray to set some highlights on his body. Now the gloves, you're going to want to use some plain white. I use a little acrylic paint there to kind of cheat a little bit, although this is all in watercolors. But acrylic whites are definitely a lot better sometimes for applying highlights. You can see on the mouth area, I use a peach color, little white highlight. His nose, a little black. His spikes are much more like shark fin shape, and got a little gray highlight there. Gray highlights also on the face. Use gray highlights near the ears as well. A little red around the eyes there. His eyes, the color of them more like an orange. Okay. And highlighted more with the gray, like I said, around the ears. Filled in with the white, shadowed in the eyes a little bit. He has a little red on some of the spikes. And of course, on the top of his head, you have the big red stripe. That was a lot of fun to paint. Really enjoyed that. Okay, so just touching up here and there, and pretty close to being done right here. Added some orange to the red to highlight there. Just little touch-ups here and there, which make the piece all the more better, and you'll appreciate it even more in the end to spend that extra time. So I hope you really enjoyed watching me draw and then paint Shadow. Alright everybody, that's it, and thank you for watching FATV Fan Art. Make sure that you hit the little button down there with the bell so that the little notices flash at you whenever a new video pops up, because there's going to be a whole lot more fan art just like this. That's why we renamed and relabeled the channel FATV Fan Art. I had a ton of fun painting Shadow the Hedgehog from the Sonic the Hedgehog world of fandom and video games and movies and cartoons and all that. We're going to paint Silver the Hedgehog next. Going to really love doing that. And I hope you watch that too. But you have to hit that little bell to get the little notice so you'll see when the video pops up so you can be the first to watch. So again, thank you for watching. I will definitely see you next time. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoy my channel. And this has just been a ton of fun, and I hope you have fun watching. And also maybe you'll have a whole bunch of fun doing this too if you want to try it. Comment, let me know what you think. See you next time.